If you want to customize lock screen on the Motorola Moto G87, first of all we need to go to settings. Once you open settings, then over here we need to scroll down a little bit and we need to find the personalize option. So let's go ahead and open this. Now once you open this menu, you should be able to find the lock screen option over here, so let's go ahead and select it. And here we have the customization of the lock screen. First of all, at the bottom we have shortcuts, so here you can decide what should be attached to the bottom left and bottom right corner, so you can have a quick access to certain apps or features, like for example, here we can attach the flashlight, and on the other side, let's say I can use the do not disturb mode, so I can easily access them and use these features without unlocking my phone, and I can just go to the lock screen in order to use them. Besides that, we have the notification style or notification type, where we have bubble, chip, and list. You can just choose whichever you like the most. And also we can tap on this pen icon that we have here in the middle to customize the clock. So we can go ahead and we can tap on this clock. And as you can see, we have a couple of different styles that we can use on our phone. So you can just pick your favorite one. Besides that, we have the font customization, so you can choose a different font if you want to. Then we have the color selection as well, so you can just choose whichever color you want to use for the clock. There is also this color palette, so you can choose your own color over here. There we go. We can add our color, no problem with that. And also we have a couple of spots for widgets, so we can attach one of these, maybe not one, but a couple of these widgets over here. Like for example, the temperature. Here I can also use alarms. And maybe something else like the battery percentage, for example. Of course, we have limited space in here, but still, you should be able to add a couple of them, or remove them, of course, if you don't need them. But once you are done with the customization, tap on this check in the upper right corner. You might be asked if you want to add a city for the weather app, but in my case, I'm just gonna tap on later. And that's about it. Leave a like and subscribe.